In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contractor in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing accounts for a larger firm, setting up a contractor in QuickBooks is a crucial step towards maintaining organized and accurate financial records. Let's dive in and ensure you have all the steps clearly laid out to successfully accomplish this task. To begin, make sure you're logged into QuickBooks Online. Once there, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage, which serves as your central hub for managing your finances. From here, we'll start the process of adding a contractor. First, you need to locate and click on the Contractors tab. This will direct you to a page dedicated to managing all your contractor-related information. It's a very handy feature as it allows you to keep all your contractor details in one centralized location. Having all this information neatly organized not only improves efficiency but also ensures that all necessary documentation is easily accessible whenever you need it. Next up, you'll see an option to Add a Contractor. Click on this and you'll be prompted with a form or a new window where you can input all the relevant details for your contractor. This process is straightforward, but it's important to gather all the necessary information beforehand to make the process smooth and error-free. Now, you'll begin by entering the contractor's name. Properly recording names is fundamental as it ensures all records are intuitively organized. Accurate details here will help avoid any confusion down the road, especially when it comes to identifying specific entries during tax season or when running reports. After that, shift your attention to entering the contractor's email address. Adding the email is not just about having their contact information on file. It's also crucial for enabling efficient communication. Plus, it allows you to send important documents such as tax forms directly from QuickBooks with ease. Finally, once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, you will click on Add Contractor to complete the process. This last click sets everything in motion. Saving your information in QuickBooks, you'll have established a new contractor entry that is ready for your future business interactions, ensuring that your data management remains accurate and comprehensive. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you are well on your way to adeptly managing your contractor information within QuickBooks Online. Remember, good organization is key to efficient business operations. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped streamline your contractor management process in QuickBooks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult the help section in QuickBooks for additional resources. Happy bookkeeping!